On the close of their case, I have evaluated the evidence that has been adduced against you, and I find that it makes a case against you requiring you to give your defense on each of the 4 counts that I read to you when we were beginning this case. Have you understood that?
Yes, my lord, I understood it.
When you choose to take evidence without swearing, you will remain where you are and you will tell your story without anyone leading you. Your lawyers will not lead you. So you will tell your story uninterrupted without anyone leading you. If you choose to swear, to take oath, you will cross over and go to where the other witnesses have been going. And that way, your lawyers will ask you questions. The way you saw the prosecutors asking their witnesses, that is how they will also help you to tell your story. And in all, as I said, you have a right to call witnesses. Because the court gave you 30 minutes.
Okay, my lord. Then I will make a sworn defense.
Are these 2 or 4? Because I see some up and some down.
That there, my lord, is 4 witnesses.
There are 4.
Yeah.
Since there is only one name, just let me hear from you. Give me the names. Let me hear from you. Give me the names.
Full names I don't have, my lord, for all the witnesses.
4 witnesses intended to call and their telephone contacts. However, I note that the accused has not provided the physical addresses of the named witnesses. So the registrar of this court will use the telephone numbers that the accused person has availed to reach out to these witnesses so that they are able to come and give evidence for the accused person. Are you prepared to give your own evidence now?
No, not evidence, my lord.
What are you prepared to do?
Actually, nothing today, my lord. I was advised that I could submit the defense tomorrow, maybe a little later. Tomorrow, but not after tomorrow, my lord. I will change, my lord. I think I could change it.
Which option will you take?
I will use the unsworn statement, my lord.
Okay. If you choose to give an unsworn statement, you will tell your story without being led by anyone, and no one will ask you any questions. Is that what you're opting for?
Yes, my lord. That's what I'm opting for. Pray that court grant me to look at my phone another time.
To look at your phone, but
Yes.
we gave you the phone and you scrolled through it.
My lord, this time we are going to use the internet to download the rest of the information that we need, that we can find.
It is an exhibit now. Unfortunately, I will not give you that. We gave you that opportunity. So let's come here tomorrow at